Okay, we're on the, I think it's called the Greenway Trail, Spring Greenway Trail. And it's raining, coming down. And we're at the end in Humble, which is just behind me. Back there, Humble. Headed back to Spring. The lake over there somewhere. The trail's nice because obviously no cars, and on the weekends there'll be a few other bikes and some walkers, so it's kind of fun. And I believe it goes for I want to say about 15 miles, maybe 20 miles each direction. No, not quite 20. I should map it out one day. Over a little bridge. And it's just going to be a lot more of this for about 45 minutes. Roughly.